Okay, can I start? Okay. Good morning, everyone. Myself, Shwetha. My vision is build a healthy India. Everyone know about the acupressure points. So today I am going to explain about the one point which gives 50 plus diseases cure. It's a powerful point. When to use these points, we can know the lot of diseases. Then you can use these points. How to use this point means you can use this point before intake of any food. Otherwise, you should make it 2 hours gap for doing this point after the meals or food. So this is the one point you should know very well. So you can treat 50 plus diseases. That much of powerful point is. Today I am showing one point. Okay. So everyone should know and everyone should mark in their hand and should show me. When we application part, we should do ourselves, then only you got the results. Okay. See here, everyone see, no? Where this is the point is here. Here. It is the in between of thumb and index finger. Here. This is the point. Got it? Okay. How many?
Yes, we got it, madam. We got it, madam.
Okay. Can you show? Okay. Okay. Good. Good. Tarun ji, आपका hand नहीं दिखा रहा.
अभी दिखा रहा हूँ.
Okay.
It's okay, clear?
No, I cannot see properly. Vasudev ji का तो ठीक है.
Now?
Okay. Raman ji.
Now is it clear?
You just see here.
It's clear now?
No, some network issue, I think.
Tarun ji, you are having issues with the network, I guess.
So.
Now
it's okay.
We can see your hand.
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct. Brahman ji, okay.
Let's show the point to her. Okay. Show her point, the point, please.
So, Jyoti ji and Shetty ji, I think they did not got the point. Can you switch on the videos so you can easily got the point? Otherwise, you can send me in a WhatsApp personal. So it is become perfect that point. Okay, what is the use of this point? How to press this point? Okay, just take a index finger and just place here. Give a pressure. Okay, when you are giving pressure, you just deep breathing like this and just hold and just leave. When you are leaving breathing, breathe, then you stop giving pressure. Okay, like this. You can do for the period 14 times. Everyone got it? How to press and also point.
Whenever you press it, you have to deep breathe in. Breathe in.
Yes. 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 You have to take breathe in. When you stop pressing, you have to breathe out.
No, when we while pressing, we inhale and stop. No,
I know you are pressing in that time. How much you are inhale? Take a deep breath.
Okay.
Take a deep breath in and press it. Keep pressing it.
Then you leave the pressure, but should not remove the finger from that point.
You need to hold it also for some time.
No, just you should not remove the that finger from that side, but you have to do 14 times. Press and release. Press and release like that. You have to do 14 times.
Excuse me, Shwetha, this is for what?
I am telling now.
Okay.
If you are perfect with point and pressure, I will tell the uses of this point.
But in any of one hands or only on left hand, right hand?
Both hands you can do.
Okay, thank you.
And could you show the front part, please? Where are you pressing in front?
Okay.
So this is the back. This is back. Front?
No, this is the
Okay,
point.
back
You
only.
have,
Okay.
this is the point. We have to give pressure at this point.
Okay.
Here we have to give pressure. Actually, backside, I am holding here because of my balance. That's all. This is the point. Here you have to give the pressure. Okay. So everyone know the point. Everyone got the point.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm now telling about the uses. Mainly this point will use for the lungs disorders. That is bronchitis. And that is the lower portion of the lungs infection and allergies. So you know that when allergies come, we are sneezing. Continuously we are sneezing. It will be stopped by using this point. And appendix, any appendix problem if you have, you can use this point. It will give result in the asthma, laryngitis, pharyngitis, like that. Lungs, any disorders can be cured by this point. And also blister of tongue. That's a excess of heat in our body may cause these type of diseases. So if you are having a blister in the tongue or mouth, if you are pressing this point, it will expel the heat from our body. Okay, and bowel wellness. This is a major large intestine point. So what is the large intestine work? It will work for the excretion of the waste materials. So while we are pressing this point, it helps to excretion of the waste things. That is a bowel health will take care of this point. So then breathing difficulties. Already I told that any lungs disorders, it will help you. Breathing problem happens, then if you are pressing this point, it will give wonderful results. And cholera and chest congestion. It is also breathing problem. Like if you feel in the gastric, if you feel chest congestion, then also you can press this point. It will give immediate results. And this point is called as an analgesic point. It's a painkiller point. It will, if the person having a gastric and he is suffering from the stiff neck or stiff wrist, any part of the body, they got the some problem in their all joints, then they press this point, it will give immediate result. If the stiff neck is there, if the point is pressing like this for the period when you are get relief, till that point you have to give pressure in this point. It will give results, immediate results. Otherwise you can give the pressure with the use of this, like this type of pen also. I think you got the probe in the health kit. You can use probe also. Otherwise, when you are traveling, you doesn't have any probes, don't worry. You can use this pen and just pressure here like this. Randomly, you can give the pressure. On that time, it will give immediate result. In the time of gastric. In the gastric also, it will give wonderful result. And also cold, cough, even constipation also. If you press this part, it will give good results. And when you feel fatigue, then on that time also you can give this pressure in this point. It will enhance our energy, and it is acts as an immunity booster also. And dental pain. Already I told the analgesic point. We call it as an analgesic point. If the person having the pain in the teeth or neck or back pain, or any lower back pain, hand pain, elbow joint pain, wrist pain, any type of pain in the body, it will act as an analgesic. And it is a large intestine point. So it good for the also elimination, and it helps in the digestion also. Everyone know the irritable bowel syndrome. After they are eating, they want to go washroom. This is called as the irritable bowel syndrome. It is used for that problem also. And ear pain, eczema, and emotional problem also. If we have emotional problems, it will remove the emotion in our body. In the epilepsy, and increases our facial beauty in the case of fatty liver, and it removes the fever also. And gastritis, glaucoma, improving the hair growth. In sometimes in the gastric, when we are suffering from gastric, we have severe headache because of gastric. Then only you can use this point. It will give wonderful results. And heart strokes and hyperthyroidism, hyperacidity, insomnia. That is, insomnia means sleeplessness. It is also helping that area also. Itching. Some persons having itching in our body. So in that time, we use this point. Itching will be removed from our body. Inflammation in our body, any part of the body. In our acupuncture, we call it as some inflammation is there. So excess of heat present in their body. So to remove that excess of heat, to remove from inflammation, we use this point. In the case of impotence, jaundice, in menopause also, in menopause time also, we suffering more heat. To expel heat, we will use this point. In migraine headache, neck pain, nasal congestion, obesity, overheating also because of gastric problem. So that is also be cured by this point. In the case of arthritis, rhinitis, everyone know that rhinitis is a allergic reaction that can also be treated by this point. And quit smoking. And if the person having more stress, strain, then only we can use this point. Sore throat and tonsils and tinnitus. These problems can be cured by a single point. This is a major, you have to recall that. That means all digestive disorders can be treated by this point, and all respiratory tract diseases can be treated by this point. And should not use in a pregnant woman. This point should not be used in a pregnancy. So whenever you feel congestion, gastric problem, or any respiratory tract problem, or it is acts as an analgesic. So these are the major reason. What are the problems we are facing in our day-to-day life? We have to press this point for the 14 times. If we press this point every day, our health will be improved day by day. So these type of problems can be treated by a single point, and it will enhance the energy. In acupuncture, we call it as a distal point. That means in our body, head to neck, any problems is there, we use this point. So like this point is very powerful. When you start using, you can get the results. So Vasudevji, you can ask the question.
Yeah, I just wanted to ask you, are you telling us about acupuncture or acupressure?
Actually, we are using in acupressure and acupuncture also. In acupuncture, we have to do only acupuncturist. But acupressure, everyone can do.
Yeah, acupressure everybody can do, but acupuncture can't.
Not. Acupuncture is not suggested, but only the acupuncture.
Only with expertise, yeah.
Yes, acupressure. Acupressure is also give wonderful results. If the problem is very severe, you can do 3 times a day. There is no problem for good health. You can do once in a day. Like that.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Welcome. Tarunji?
What is the duration for pressing this point?
How much time you can inhale? Sometimes some persons' breath is short. Sometimes some persons' breath is long. According to the person, you can do. Pressure also, how much you can receive, how much you can tolerate. That much of pressure you have to do. If you have good pressure, you should not do more pressure. It should be tolerate for you and your family members also. It should be tolerate, and you should give put a position with it should be smooth. Should not feel some person It is irritating. उसको भी क्या होना है, कूलिंग इफेक्ट आना है. जब हम प्रेस करते हैं ना, they can feel good. Like that, you have to give the pressure.
Okay, got it.
Any questions are there?
Shweta ji, any hand we can do or only one particular hand like that?
No, any hand you can do. If you are not getting result in one hand, you can use another hand. So generally what happens, left hand we are giving pressure because first right hand we can give pressure how much we want. That's why. Otherwise you can use the pen backside, which should not be sharpened. You should aware of this. It should not be sharpened. It should be blunt. So then you can do.
Thank you.
Welcome. Any questions out there?
I'm through.
Thank you, Shwetha madam. Thank you.
Okay.